In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by literally just typing from the comfort of your own home. Now with the internet, there exists so many new possibilities when it comes to earning money from the internet. One of which is by just simply typing things. And there's 3 levels when it comes to making money from typing. And with each level, you can make more and more money. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to make money online by typing. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. We're going to start off with level number 1, which is a transcription job. Transcription websites are essentially websites where you can listen to audio or watch a video, and all you literally have to do is type out what's being said in that piece of content. And believe it or not, there's a lot of websites out there that will pay you money for just doing this. And remember, this is just level 1. You can make more money with the next level that we can talk about. If you go on into their website, you'll see on the footer that you can sign up to be what's known as a subtitler or a transcriptionist. And essentially, what they do is give you audio files or videos that you can literally just type out on what's being said. Now, if you're doing subtitles, you'll also time that text with the video, so as it's being said, you'll put the correct timestamps to ensure that it syncs up with the video. And the reason this is useful to companies or YouTube channel is because sometimes they want subtitles on their video, and sometimes they want to take their videos and turn them into a blog post, and this is their way of paying a real human to do the work as opposed to artificial intelligence, which sometimes messing up the work. Also, what's cool about Rev is you can work on your own schedule and they pay out every single week. Now, as for how much you can make, if you're doing transcription, this do not require syncing it up with the video, so they pay around 30 cents and $1.10 per minute of audio or video that you transcribe. But if you're doing captions where you sync it up with the video, then it pays anywhere from 54 cents to $1.10 per minute of the video or audio that you transcribe. Once you sign up, you'll basically be given a list of different projects, and then you can select which one you want to do based on the length of it. You can see all that stuff once you sign up, and then they have an online editor built into Rev to help make it easier for you. You can get paid an average of $245 per month. So this is basically a minimum wage or a little bit less. Another website is called transcribeme.com, and what sets TranscribeMe apart from other transcription websites is that they focus on shorter content. This makes it a lot more manageable to prospective transcriptionists because they're only going to be doing a short amount of audio according to their website. They can go ahead and pay you around $250 per month, starting from $15 to $20 per audio hour, because certain niches pay a lot more than others. For example, if you do medical or legal transcriptions job, their website claims that you can make upwards of $70 to $60 per audio hour. This is quite a bit more than you can find on a lot of other transcription websites. TranscribeMe also pays through PayPal, and they pay out weekly. They accept applicants for all over the world, and one of the coolest parts about their website is that you can choose when you want to work, how much you want to work. So it's basically just picking and choosing what you want to work on and just doing that and getting paid as a result. And as I've mentioned earlier, you can make a lot more money with level 2 and level 3 that we're going to be getting into. But let's continue with the transcription jobs because they're the easiest. They accept newcomers relatively fast, usually faster than Rev.com, and you'll usually hear them back from about a week or 2 after you complete their test. Basically, it's just a transcription test. They want to see that you can type accurately what's being said in these videos, and you may have noticed that with the websites we've gone over so far, they haven't asked for any fancy college degrees, any fancy skills, or any past experience. Scribd.com is another transcription website that you can sign up for. They're gonna go ahead and give you a test. Once you pass that test, you can then make money by using their website. They usually provide audio segments that are 6 minutes or less, so you don't have to devote a lot of time doing this. Scribbly pays only 20 cents per audio minute, so maybe not as much as some other websites that we're going over. But what's cool about this, once you get some experience with Scribbly, you can level up by joining what's called the reviewers team. A reviewer simply highlights and corrects the mistakes of the initial transcriber and makes it all clean and looking good. They can get paid upwards of $30 per audio hour that they can do, but in order to get this role, you have to be at least 1% better than most of the other transcriptionists out there, and once you start delivering high quality work, you can eventually get promoted again. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal and more. Let's move on to a website called gotranscript.com. Now, if you go onto their website, you'll see that they're offering transcription services in 5 different categories. So, there's tons of different content to transcribe on. If you scroll down to the bottom of their page, you can see an option that says Work for Transcriptionists. They dish out up to 60 cents per audio minute. If you go onto this page, you can see how much they pay. The average monthly earnings on here are only about $150 per month. Not a ton, but you can go ahead and make money upwards of $1,215 per month. But you have to put a lot of time into this, and that's why all of these methods are only still level 1. But the cool thing about GoTranscribe, they hire transcriptionists from all over the world. They have a wide range of transcription jobs in a variety of different languages. And what's also cool is that they don't just pay out through PayPal like some other services that we went through. They also pay out through Pioneer, so if you have another option there, which I would always like to have, plus you have a flexibility, you can choose tasks based on your availability. Now, we're gonna go ahead and jump to level 2 of making money by typing, which is being a freelancer. This includes signing up to websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Upwork.com, and then applying jobs for people that are looking for to write things like blog articles, YouTube scripts, any type of writing online. You can go ahead and apply to those jobs so you can type stuff out, maybe even something that you have an interest on or a passion or some knowledge into. You can make a lot more money by doing these freelancing jobs than just being a transcriptionist. Now let's jump up to level 3 for typing job, which is typing something that you own. The last 2 levels were typing things for some other people, and you can get paid as a result for that. But at the end of the day, you don't own that piece of content. Now you may ask yourself, why are these companies and YouTube channels and blogs willing to pay so much money for typing? That's because it makes them more money. Why not type some stuff for yourselves? Why not start a YouTube channel? Why not start a blog? Or why not start an online business that you can type for? And one of the best ways of doing this, in my opinion, is to create a faceless niche YouTube channels. These are YouTube channels where you can never have to show your face or step in front of a camera, but you can still potentially get millions of views and make a ton of money. So there are a lot more ways that you can make money online by just typing, but these are only some of them. You can just go ahead and get creative with it. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.